Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how to turn off vanish mode on Instagram. So basically there are two ways. First one, open your Instagram account and click on message, this icon here. Go to chat and swipe up. So you can see vanish mode is turned on, and if you want to turn it off you can again swipe up. So we are back, and the second option is open the chat, click on profile name, not profile picture, and go to privacy and safety. Here you can also get vanish mode option, so you can turn it off here and on here. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel to get more videos like this. Thank you.